Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. So this is the math problem. I'm gonna solve this in this video. So we have to sketch the graph of linear function y equals negative 2 plus 5. As you can see, this function is in the form of y equals mx plus c. So m is the slope. In this case, your slope is negative 2 and your intercept is 5. Okay, so to sketch this graph, as you can see, it's a linear function. At least we need two coordinates to draw this graph. So let's find out those two coordinates. So in linear functions, we have y-intercept and x-intercept. So let's find those two coordinates. Let's look at the y-intercept. So to find this, at x equals 0, we can find the y-intercept. So we are going to substitute x equals 0 for this function. So y equals negative 2 times x is now 0 plus 5. So then solve for y equals, this is negative 2 times 0 is 0 and this one is 5. So y equals 5. So your y-intercept is, the coordinate is x equals 0 and y equals 5. Let's find out the x-intercept. So at x-intercept, your y value is 0. So substitute y equals 0 for the function. Then solve for x. So as you can see, here we have positive 5. So we are going to remove this 5 from this side. You have to add, you have to subtract 5 from both sides. And then you have here negative 5 equals negative 2 times x. And now you can solve this for x. It's a multiplication. Negative 2 times x is a multiplication. To remove negative 2, you have to divide both sides by negative 2. Like this. So you have x equals what? It's a negative 5 divided by negative 2. Negative gives you positive number, which is 5 over 2. Equals, if you write as a decimal, it is 2.5. Okay, so your x-intercept is, x value is 2.5, comma, y value is 0. So this is your x-intercept. Now you have two coordinates, this coordinate negative 2.5 comma 0, and you have another coordinate 0.5. Now you can draw the graph. Let's look at the graph. So one coordinate was 2.5 comma 0 and the other one is 0 comma 5. So these are the two coordinates. So we are going to sketch the linear function. X equals 0. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. At x equals 0, y equals 5 over here. So this coordinate is 0 comma 5. And this coordinate 2.5 comma 0, x is 2.5, it's over here in the middle, and 0, y equals 0. So this one is 2.5 comma 0. So now we draw the graph, we draw the two coordinates, and now we can connect these dots. So it's a linear function like this. It should be a straight line, okay? And as you can see, the slope is negative 2. It is like, it should be like this. It should be a straight line, okay. It should be like your slope is negative 2. You know, in the denominator you have 1 here, right? So it says like this. So here slope is like the difference of y and divided by difference of x, right? So here difference of y is negative 2. You have to go down 2, right? And the denominator you have positive number, just 1. So you have to go 1 square to this side, and that's your slope, right? So if you go down from here, I'm gonna use this point. If you go down 2 and go down 1, you end up on the line, right? So that's the slope. If I select this point, I have to go 2 down like this and go right just 1. Again, I'm on the line. So that's your slope. Okay, so this is the sketch of this linear line is y equals negative 2 times x plus 5. So as you can see, the slope is negative number. So the straight line is like this, in this shape. So that's the solution of this problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand.